Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert dotted line to solid line in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here my document with a solid table. Now I make this solid table to dotted table. Just select this table to drag on your mouse. Now go to border dash option. Now you can see here a dot option. Just press it. Now just press outside of this table. Now you can see I insert dotted line to solid line in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.